Are you looking for a reliable, feature-packed SUV at an unbeatable price? Look no further. Presenting the 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited AWD, now available for just $7,800 in Boston, Massachusetts. This well-maintained vehicle has 125,500 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. With a sleek black exterior and a gray leather interior, this SUV combines style and comfort. It runs on petrol and is in excellent condition, with a clean history, no accidents or significant damage. Powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, this Santa Fe offers smooth performance and reliability. It comes fully equipped with the ultimate package and an array of premium features, including all-wheel drive for year-round confidence on the road, blind spot monitor, and a rear-view camera for added safety, heated and cooled front seats plus rear seat heaters for maximum comfort, a stunning panoramic sunroof for a touch of luxury, navigation system and Bluetooth technology to keep you connected, driver's seat memory, fold-away third-row seating, and a power liftgate for convenience, parking sensors, automatic headlights, and keyless entry to simplify your drive. The automatic climate control system ensures you stay comfortable, and a new synthetic oil change means this SUV is road-ready. This is a non-smoking vehicle with a clean title and a Carfax report that confirms no accidents. Priced at just $7,800, this Santa Fe is perfect for anyone seeking luxury and functionality without breaking the bank. Interested? Visit the Buy to Facebook link or reach out now for more details. Don't miss out. Deals like this don't last long. VIN KM8SRDHF 7EU0 37430. Contact today and drive home your dream car.